We're coming into earnings season, and the markets are just goofy. They're choppy, and I'm not really finding too many setups. Of course, I don't know a ton of them, but I don't need to know a ton of them. The four that I know well, and that I'm supposed to be, and that I'm focusing on trading, aren't here this morning. And I think it's just because everything's behaving a little bit uncertain, and so decided really not to do much. Yeah, I'm up $12 for the day. So again, I can buy that piece of cheese I've been saving up for. But outside of that, I think yesterday I got whomped. And also I was just kind of feeling a little tentative. I don't know, tentative is never, ever good in any kind of situation in life, especially trading, I suppose. But outside of that, the markets are crazy. It's the day before the 4th of July, so I think it might even close early. I'm not sure. In any event, I'll take a green day. But this one was a breakout when it hit, so I was just grabbing onto that. And it went down here, and it stayed there for a little while, and I got out. But I mean, this was a $4 stock. I mean, this is a little outside of my system. I'm usually trading between $20 and $90. But I wanted to, try one. So yeah, there was a move from 384 down to 376, and I only put on 100 shares just because I'm not even supposed to be trading. I wasn't even sure like this thing have the the only reason I did is because it had the volume, even though it was a sub. It was a penny stock. It still has volume, so I was okay with that. This one I was just trying the old reverse, so it went up here and it had this kind of sword-looking candle, and that usually signals, or that often can signal, a reverse. And so I got into the reverse, and had I been a little more patient, I could have gotten a little bit more out of it. But I took a profit, and that was probably just A, the combination of the tentativeness, and B, I was reading the tape, and it did kind of stall there, and so I wasn't sure if it was going to go. And since this isn't a trade that I'm really confident with, I thought, well, I better just get out, take some money and get out. So again, not a big win, but it's more about developing skills for me at this point. I'm day 30 in paper trading, and so getting those kind of skills sharp so that when I get in there and start throwing down on real money with real bigger positions, I've got it. So yeah, good stuff today, all things considered.